Hey, what's up guys? I have an awesome review today for you. This product was sent to me by the amazing people over at Brand Reviews. Huge shout out to them for sending me this out for a review. This is the brand new Tavoca 16in1 Multifunction bike cycling mechanical repair toolkit. This particular toolkit is made by GVDV with high premium tools inside. Perfect for any situation that might occur when you're riding your bike. Now let's take a closer look at the repair toolkit and see everything that it has to offer. So first we get a little business card along with warranty information. So first you have a GVDV on the back. And on the front it says, "We would love to hear from you." And on the inside it shows you how to get a 1-year warranty for free. If you just email at susangadgets2014@hotmail.com, you just register your product and give an unbiased review, and you get 1-year free warranty, which is a nice bonus. And I also want to thank you for your purchase. Just email directly to susangadgets2014@hotmail.com with your order ID, and it'll give you automatic 60-day manufacturer warranty. Next, we get the product itself. Featured in this heavy-duty metallic design to ensure that the tools inside don't get damaged over time. So now if you flip up from the bottom, you can access partial tools. So a couple of the things you notice right off the bat is we get a couple different screwdriver heads, as well as a Allen wrench. Which you can attach multiple heads to, depending on what size nut or bolt you have on your bike. It ranges from small, medium, and large. Now take a look on the middle, you do get a socket hex wrench, which has 3 different variants depending on what you have to use it for, and they all come in different sizes. So you have an 8mm up at the top, you also have a 15mm and a 10mm. And then last but not least, over on the left hand side, you do get some Allen keys. Come in a variation of sizes, including 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, which would be the biggest one. And that's measured in millimeters. And now once you're done using the repair toolkit, everything just flips right back into place. So you can just push the Allen keys down and then push the other end right back in. And everything's nice and secure and fit. Very compact, so this way you fit in your pocket, or if you want to carry it in a backpack, no problem. And you won't experience any discomfort at all. So overall, for all the different components you get in this multifunctional toolkit, to get 16 different tools is a huge asset when you're repairing your bike or if you experience any problems. Once again, huge shout out to Brand Reviews for sending me this out for a review. If you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. They currently retail for $6.99 on Amazon, which is a great deal considering normally $29.99, especially for all you get in this little multi-toolkit. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this. As always, thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.